So hello guys, sorry for the earlier connection problem. I actually had a little network problem, so the live stream actually ended. But that aside, now let's get back to our live stream again. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a live signal on the forex market, and from the title you can see the pairs that I've actually picked in the title, and those are the only pairs I'm actually going to be discussing in this live stream. So in case any of those pairs there doesn't match with what you are personally looking for, so in case those ones doesn't match what you are actually looking for, you can drop your own pair down in the description, and I'm going to help you out with that. Sorry, in the comment section. So for that, over here now, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to pick my time frame. So for me, I trade the 4-hour and 30-minute time frame. So when I use the 30-minute to enter, I do look for a day trading opportunity, and then when I go back to the 4-hour, then I'm looking for a swing trade opportunities. And now we are in the pair between Great Britain pounds versus Japanese yen, which is one of my favorite forex pairs. So now the first thing I'm going to do in this market is I'm going to get my resistance area on the 4-hour chart. So here is the resistance area on the 4-hour chart, and then I'm also going to get my support area. So here is my support area as well. So now on the 4-hour, you can see that we've gotten our support and resistance area. Now the next thing is to actually look for an entry opportunity in this market. As you can see right now, the market isn't moving to any specific direction, but then we can actually look for an entry opportunity when we go down to a lower time frame. So now for that, I'm going to come over to the 30-minute time frame and look for an opportunity and try to understand how the market is reacting recently. So I'll just go over to the lower time frame first. So now we're on the 30-minute time frame, and then on the 30-minute time frame, we can try and look for how the market has been reacting recently, so that we can actually get an opportunity to trade. So now here on the 30-minute time frame, one thing we can actually see is that the market is trying to create a new area of resistance here that we can actually see on the 30 minutes. So now the 30 minutes, we can actually see a market creating new area of resistance here. And then over here, so we can also see that the market has printed another swing low point here. So this to tell us that the market is actually moving downwards. So this showing the market moving downwards doesn't mean we should get into the market. So now what we have to do at this point here is simply looking for an opportunity to actually determine how we are going to trade this market. So now from here right now, there are two things you can actually put in mind. One, before you trade this market, you have to check the news to see how the whether the kind of news available today is actually going to affect the pair or not. And then on the other hand, now let's just use what the market has actually shown here to actually determine our entry position. So for that, on the 30-minute time frame right now, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity, a short buy opportunity. If the market gets here, if the market can give me bullish to here, I'm going to place a buy opportunity and I expect to get that over here. That's if the market gives me a bullish opportunity here. So for those who will be trading the 30-minute time frame, here is my entry for you. My entry for you is that place a buy order at 188.504, and then your stop loss should be at 187.954, with your take profit at 189.657. So you can take on this screenshot right now and then use it later on. So this is for the 30-minute chart, because the reason I will look for an opportunity here on the 30-minute chart is that if the market can give us a bullish sign here, that simply means that the market is actually going back upward. Because if you look at it, the market is currently at a key support area, and when market is at a key support area, it's very difficult to break below. And then when it gives you a bullish symbol to overtake, like to engulf its previous candle, that simply means that the bulls have taken over the market again. Then you should be comfortable in your trade. Then you should be comfortable in your trade. So this is my entry opportunity on the this thing. So on a 30-minute time frame, this is the opportunity I'll be looking for in this GBPJPY market. So until the market hits this point, I'm actually not going to place an order on the 30 minutes. So I'm just going to hit an alert there. I'll just put an alert there as okay. So now let me just change long. Okay, now let me set the alert here. So the reason why I set alert is that I'm not going to sit on my chart the whole day. So but with the alarm, with the alert, once it gets triggered, I know that it's time for me to actually place an order. The reason why I use alert is that I don't like placing limit orders anymore, because the market, due to the way the market is moving recently, can go and hit your entry point and then just move away from it again. So to avoid that, I always use alerts to monitor my trade. So for that, I'm just going to put buy. So I'm just type it in here like this, buy, and then that's simply all for it. So until the market hit here, I won't be looking for any opportunity to enter this market. So now with this aside, now let's go over to the 4-hour time frame and see if we can get some swing trading opportunities as well. So even it is all the same thing. So even if you come over to the 4-hour chart right now, it's still the same entry position. Until the market gets here, there's nothing I'm going to do in this market. Now, in case the market doesn't get to this point that we've marked here to place a buy order, then we can be looking for a sell. If the market, we could be looking for a sell on the 4-hour. If the market can break out of here, come back for a retest, and then give us this rejection, then we can be looking for an opportunity to also place a sell order as well. So before I can place a sell order, I wait for this market to break this support area, come back to retest it, and then I'm going to place an order immediately. So these are the only two orders I have. So for day traders, the only one I have for is looking for the buy opportunity on the 30-minute time frame. And then for swing traders, you can place a buy order from here. So if you should place a sell order here, you should be aiming at this previous support area here, which is here. So this will be something like this. To be aiming for here as take profit 1. I'll probably go for this other one here as take profit 2. So now you just have these two like this. So for those of you who will be looking for a swing trade opportunities on the 4-hour time frame, you can look for an entry opportunity once the market break out of here and then comes back to retest the one and come back to 187.284. That's where I'll be looking for an opportunity to actually sell it. And then my take profit price will be at 184.463, and then my stop loss will be at 188.298. So for swing traders, this is the trade for you. You can actually see it here. Wait for the market to break out of this 4-hour support area, come back to retest the 4-hour support area, and it gives you any rejection, then you place a sell order immediately. So you must not let the rejection get here. Once it gives you the rejection, even around here, you can just get into it immediately, provided that it has come back to retest that 4-hour support area and then gives you a rejection, then you can actually sell it. So now that's simply it on the first pair we have here, GBPJPY. So now let's move on to the next market on our list. But before that, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also consider sharing this channel with your friends as well, as more trading videos will be coming in week, as I do our live sections almost every day of the week. So you shouldn't miss out on it as well. So I'm just going to notify people on my channel right now that I'm live. So now this aside, now let's move on to the next pair on our list, which is actually the EURNZD, which is the Euro New Zealand dollar. So for that, I'm just coming over here and then I'm just type Euro New Zealand dollar. As I already said, I only look for my trading opportunities on the 4-hour and 30-minute. If the 4-hour and 30-minute doesn't give me any opportunity to trade, I don't waste my time entering the market at all. Until the 4-hour tells me a reason to trade on the 30 minutes, that I won't place any order in the market. Okay, so someone just required for USD please, I'm going to check that later. Let me just complete the ones I have on the list here right now. So just give me a minute. So now let's look at EURNZD. Okay, so EURNZD right now on the 4-hour time frame, what you can see here is that So from here we can have this clear area of resistance here, which hasn't still been really retested. So I'm just going to take it up to here. Yep, I'll just grab it here like this. I'll ignore that first candle. I'll be considering this point more. And over here, our support area is way below here. So now let's go over to the 30 minutes and see what is actually happening in this market. So for me, I don't have any specific this pattern that you guys look for. I only look for rejections in my market, and once I get those rejections, I make sure I trade them immediately. That's my only trading system. So from here, what you can see is that from here, let's get our another new area here. We can get this area to our support area as well. Let me just mark it out. So this market right now, from what I'm seeing right now, there's not really a clear opportunity to place order in this market, and I'm not going to force it. The reason I'm not going to force it is that if you should look at the market is just creating new ranges, and we can't really determine where we want to enter this market. So the only time I'll be entering this market, the only opportunities I'll be looking for is simply the market coming back down to this place, or the market coming back to this mid-level here. So from this point where we are seeing the market right now, there's no entry opportunity I can say I'm really comfortable in. So since I don't get any point I'm comfortable in, I'm not going to place an order. That is simply how I trade. But my most trusted position here I'll be looking for is actually the market coming back to retest here, and then I'll sell from here to here. Until the market comes back to retest either this point, I'm not going to place any order on the EURNZD. So now EURNZD aside, now let me go over to the pair that someone has actually requested for in the comment section, which is actually USD-CHF. So for that, I'll just come over here and search for USD-CHF. USD-CHF. So I'll go over to the 4 hour as well. So please, if you are requesting for any pair in the comment section, please let me know the kind of trader you are. If you are a day trader, just add, when requesting for the pair, just say that you are a day trader. If you are a swing trader, also add it that you are a swing trader, so I can use the right time frame to actually analyze it for you. So now this is the EURNZD, and from here I'm also going to get my area, which is the first area I always look out for in the chart. And then from here, we're going to get a line through here right now. So I'm also going to get a line from here. So after which I'll come over to them. So in case you don't understand this line I drew here, let me just make it sharper for you to actually see. So let me just make this line clear for you to actually see. So this line here, you can see that the market, from here, the market moved consecutively upward. So this market here is simply marking at the a little uptrend that the market actually took. And then from what you can see that the market has actually broken below it. And then over here, now you can see that the market created, after it break out of here, you can see that it created this minor support area here, and it just broke out of the support area. So for this particular market, the EURNZD on the 4 hour time frame, I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. So let me just give you everything on the 4 hour time frame on USD-CHF. My stop loss will be here. With my take profit at this point here. So USD-CHF on the 4 hour time frame, whosoever requested for it, your entry point is at it's a sell opportunity, and your entry point should be at 0.87430. 0.87430. and then your take profit price should be at 0.85502, and then your stop loss should be at 0.88008. So you can take a snapshot of it right now. So you can take a screenshot of it right now, and then there are so many news in the market. So there are so many news actually coming into this market. So I advise you stay tuned to make sure that you get every single, like, you stay tuned with the news so that you don't get to miss out on any opportunity in case the news actually goes in your favor. And then look out for the news when you are placing your order as well. I'm actually going to advise for that because there are some kind of news that can actually force market to change direction. So you need to watch out for this sort of news when trading. So you can see, yes, the market even created a double top inside here right now. So we just have to wait for this market to come and get here on the 4-hour time frame. So the only opportunity I'll be looking for this market is to actually swing trade it on the 4-hour time frame. So for USD I'll be swing trading it on the 4-hour time frame. From that area to this area here, that's why I'll be looking to trade this market. So once the market gets to this point here, don't hesitate, place your order immediately because it shows that USD is actually for USD is dropping right now. So once the market gets to this point, don't hesitate, take your order and then wait for the good outcome. So now that's simply it on USD. It's a simple market. Look for a short opportunity. So now after this, now let's move over to the ZOR USD, which is actually good. So now I'm going to go over to good. Okay, so you say you are using the 4 hour, so I use the right thing for you as well. So I believe you are getting everything. I use the 4 hour for you as well. Anyways, thanks for bringing this opportunity my way. I'll also be looking for an opportunity to actually sell from this point when the market actually gets here. So after that, now let's go over to the gold market that I actually have on my list. So I'll come over to gold. So now I'm just going to tick all of these ones that we actually created an opportunity on. USD. Going to give it a green tick. So I'm going to add it up as well. And then the next market we should be looking at is actually the gold. So for that, I'm going over to gold right now. So I'll use capital.com, or let me just go over to ZOR USD since all are the same. ZOR USD, yes, Oanda. So this market really look noisy right now. So this market right now, you can see the market is really noisy. Like, let me go over to a lower time frame to see if there will be an opportunity on the lower time frame. Okay, perfect. Yes, an opportunity here. So for the ZOR USD, I'll be analyzing it on a 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame. So I always get my highest point. The reason I always get my highest point is that I don't want to trade when the market is close to it. And from here, what you can see is that the market is an uptrend, and then every swing point is being taken out. You can see this swing point got taken out from here, and then now this swing point here. So let me come over to the 15 minutes. This good market right now. From what I'm seeing right now, it will be best for those who be looking for scalping opportunity. Yeah. So like, so these are the only opportunities that I personally spot in this good market. Like, there's nothing I'm actually going to force here. If you look at the market, it's on a consistent uptrend, and when market's in a consistent uptrend, you don't want to go against that uptrend. So now on the 15-minute time frame, that's what I'll be using here. So I'll be looking for an opportunity at this point. This way I'll be looking to place an order in this market. So for this right now, I'll wait for this market to actually come and retest this support area. So here's my only opportunity on the good market. This is a 15-minute chart. Wait for the market to come and get to this support level, and then from the support level, once it comes back to this entry point, then you place your order. So that's simply the only information I have for you on this gold market. There's really nothing much about this gold market. Since the market is in an uptrend, the only opportunity I advise you to also look out for is also look for a buy opportunity. So our buy entry trigger will be at let me just open it. So we'll be looking for a buy opportunity on gold market at 21,079. Was that right? No, 2,179. Okay. So wait for the gold price to actually come over to 2179.723, and then your take profit should be at 2194.879, and then your stop loss should be at 2173.49. So that is it for gold. Now let's move on to the final pair on my list, which is actually the Australian dollar chef. Australian dollar chef. So here is the key support level here. Coming over to the 4-hour to see. And then clear off. So now we'll be analyzing this one on the 4-hour as well. So from here as well, I'm going to get my highest point in the market. And then I'm going to consider this point as well. And then I'm also going to consider this point. So from here, right, I can see that the market is currently on an uptrend, which you can actually see from here. You can see that the market is still within the trend. The reason why I mark this path here right now is because, let me just get it straight out like this. Okay, let me get this one here. Okay, so here is the market movement right now. You can see the market is currently moving upward right now. You can see after here, it came back, after this retest here, moved back upward. So now we'll be looking for our entry opportunities in this market on the lower time frame, because on the higher time frame right now, the only please check T100. Okay, I'll be looking. So please, when dropping it, please add your time frame and everything so I can use it to get exactly what you want for you. So now I'll be looking for how to sell this market if the market gets here. So I'll be selling AUDCHF if the market can get here and then print a rejection. The reason I'll be selling from here is because, let me go back. So AUDCHF, wait for it to come back to retest here and then give you this rejection on the 4-hour time frame for those who be swing trading it. The reason why you need this retest is because when it comes back to retest here to create a double top, and once you see a double top, it simply means that it's a sell opportunity. So I'm waiting for AUDCHF to actually create a double top formation on the 4-hour time frame before I'm going to place a sell order. Until it creates that double top, I'm not going to place any order on the 4 hours. But then let's go over to 30 minutes and see if we will get another opportunity. So over here on the 30 minutes, we can see that the market has created some areas here that it has personally broken out of again. Here was the support area as well. And then here is a minor resistance, a minor support as well. So for this market right now, there are mainly two things, and those are the only two things I will be advising you to trade. One of them is looking at the current market movement and then shorting it. Looking at the current state and then shorting it immediately. This will be for scalpers, please. If you are not a scalper, don't place this order I'm about to drop right now on AUDCHF. So I'll be using a very low time frame for it. So please, this is for scalpers. If you are not a scalper, don't take this order I'm about to drop on AUDCHF. So for a scalper, wait for the market to pull back a little bit, maybe pull back as well. So you can see, let's wait for this market to come here. So for those of you who will be trading the 4-hour chart, simply wait for this market to pull back to this area. So if the market can pull back to this area here, then you can place an order from here. No, a short order, you're actually selling it. You set to this point here with your stop loss here. So here's the order I will give you on Australian dollar share. Place a sell order at 0.58067. Your take profit at 0.57515, and then your stop loss is at 0.58260. So this is a short order I'll be looking for on AUDCHF. So this is the only opportunity I have on AUDCHF, and that is the only one I can personally recommend. So now that is it on AUDCHF. Now let's go over to a different market, which is the T100 someone requested for. Is it T100? Okay, T1000. Please, can you rewrite that your person at other Sanele in Chimbalala? Please, can you actually come back with that pen, because I can't actually find it here. You say T1000, which is not available here on TradingView, please. Please, can you write it in full so that I can actually get it right? Please just get me so that I can actually get that ad for you, please. Please, I'm actually waiting. So if you are there right now and you need any pair to be shared, kindly drop the pair and then drop your time frame as well. Then tell me which kind of trader you are, so I'll look for the opportunity for you to actually enter the market. It seems you are not there right now, so maybe I can just end this live stream. So in case you didn't get, for the person who answered the T1000, I can't actually find on TradingView, kindly join my Telegram channel. Drop it down in the Telegram channel, and I'm actually going to get it up for you. So you can just check the video description, join my Telegram channel, and then drop that request down there, and I'm going to do the analytics, and I'll give you the results there. So with that already said, hello guys, thanks for actually joining me here. Hope to meet you on another day. So have a nice day. Bye.